So if you're one of those people that are suffering from dry chapped lips, then this video is meant for you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to DIY your own lip scrub. Yes, you're producing it yourself and you're using very simple ingredients that you can find in your kitchen or anywhere. Like very super easy to get, and it's super effective. So if you want to see how I make my DIY lip scrub, please sit back while we jump right into the video. Okay guys, now we have our lip scrub, very effective, and I'll be applying it now. So you see how I'm going to be applying mine. So you take a little and then put on your lips like this. Make sure you distribute it on every part of your lips. Okay, so I'll be using this to help me scrub my lips. So this is a soft baby toothbrush. As you can see, it's very soft. It's for babies, it's for children. So this is what I'll be using. Then you scrub gently. So it's very easy, very gentle. The brush is very gentle on my lips. Please don't go and use hard brush so you don't get to injure yourselves. So once I do this, I leave it on my lips. I leave the scrub to do its work, to do its job. So you scrub for like using your toothbrush. You can get a baby toothbrush like this, or you can even use your toothbrush that you have. So once you rinse off your scrub, like I've done now, you can apply any lip balm of your choice. I'll be using this Vaseline lip therapy. This is what I use. This is the lip balm I use for my lips. Rosal is for soft pink lips. Don't mind them. That's what they will write. But then, yes, it will also help add moisture to your lips. So once your lips has gone through that stage of scrubbing, you can now use going with any of your lip balms. I've been using this for a very long time and it's been working for me. So yeah, I'll be applying it. Doesn't it look beautiful? So if you have a dark lips, it will help fade out your dark lips. Trust me, it is effective. So the fact that you even know what you're using, you prepared it yourself, is, I mean, is a very big advantage. So once you carry for like 5 to 15 minutes, you can now go rinse it off. And then what I do morning and night. So guys, when you try this, please come and drop a comment and tell me how it went, if you liked it and if it worked. For me, it works. It's not going to happen overnight, but with consistency you're going to see results. So you can store this in your refrigerator, but even if you don't store it in your refrigerator just yet, you can still use it. That is why I didn't make it too much, so that I can always make fresh batches from time to time, because with time it is going to start dissolving little by little. So please guys, take note of that. So if you find this video helpful and you love to see more of my videos, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, click on the notification bell so that once I post any new videos, you're going to get the notification ASAP. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Love you guys.